We're gonna open up some Boxy girls today.
Yeah!
And we got some Boxy pets and a little Boxy girl. Excited? Which one should we open up first? Let's start off small. Let's start off with the smallest one.
Yeah.
This one, we have Lena. Let's open her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That wanted to talk.
What?
That little baby can talk.
She can talk?
Yeah.
What can she say?
Hi, I'm Abina.
No, that's you, silly. Her name is Lena.
Yeah.
Can you say Lena?
Lena.
Good job. All right, let's open her. Uh-oh. Pull it. Ah, there we go. Ready? Oh, there we go. So there's Lena. And she has some boxes. Pull her out. Pull her. Ready? There we go. Uh-oh. She lost her shoes. You gonna put them on?
Yeah. Put the wall.
Here is Lena. She's pretty cute. She's cute. Little bow on her head. And she has these little boxes. We're gonna open these up.
Yeah.
It says fragile. Handle with care.
Yep, that's my favorite.
All right. Let's open these little boxes.
Okay.
Ooh, here's one. I'm not sure what's inside.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, there's even like little packaging paper inside. Here. Take out the paper. Here we go. What's in it?
But that's it.
Open it up. It's stuck. Oh, okay.
Ooh, a little pocketbook.
Oh, a little pocketbook.
Yeah, a little one.
How cute.
That's for her.
Yeah.
That's for baby.
Need help opening it? Oh.
I don't have.
Oh, look at it.
I do that.
Yeah, she has another pair of shoes.
Yeah.
Wow, those are so cute.
Now we'll open the one.
Yeah, that's the last one.
One. One.
Ooh,
At the party.
it's like a microphone rattle thing. Cool.
That put right down.
Yeah. All right, she's got some pretty cool accessories. You want to put on her new shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Don't take the one off.
Yep. You can take them off. Go ahead, pull them off. Just pull them off. Which one's that one?
Cat.
Cat? Let me see. Whoop. Crazy. Oh, Ellie. This one, his name is Stripes. Oh, and this is Stevie's pet. We don't have Stevie, but that's okay. Oh! Put it one way. Ready? Ready? Pull. There we go.
That's cat.
Ooh, there's a big box in there.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's take...
I take it out.
You gonna open up the box?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see what Stripes looks like. Aw, Stripes is cute. You can bobble his head around. What is it? Oh, I think it's a collar. Yeah. Here, I'll put the collar on while you open up the big box.
Yeah. That one and bigger.
Oh. Do you need help opening it? You got it? Pull those here. What's inside?
Bubble.
Ooh, cool.
Look at your pretty dogs.
What over that?
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's see. All right, look. Look, Stripes has his collar on. You see? And then what'd you get in the big box? Ooh, a bed.
Yeah, put that.
Oh, look, and there's something else in here too. A little bowl.
Yeah, put
A little
that.
bowl on it.
Top.
Yeah. Oh, he fell.
Dog.
Oh, look, there's something else in there. Oh, look it. Little shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we gotta make sure we take everything out. What do you think? Cute?
Yeah. You.
I don't think she wants to stand up.
No, her not want.
I guess not.
Her they want to want.
I know.
Hey, I got my new tooth. I want me. I want to wear her dad. Her the water wild.
Oh, I can't keep up with you. Ooh, Lulu.
Yeah, a dog.
Dog?
Yeah, she's very happy.
This is Everly's dog.
Yeah.
We don't have Everly either.
Ooh, an elevator box. Look at that big one.
Oh, Lulu's cute.
Look at that big one.
Here we go.
Okay, I can open it.
Oh wait, no, it's not. It's not a doggy. It's a monkey. It's a monkey. Oh, we're so silly.
Banana.
It's a banana.
Yep,
Oh, what's that?
I know.
Oh, I think it's a shirt. That's so funny. It's not a doggy. It's a monkey. Oh, that's silly, silly mommy. All right, we'll open up this box. Oh,
Well, I will open it next.
Can you jump it out? Here we go. Ooh, what is that?
I know what open it.
Does it open? Let me see. It looks like a toilet seat. I don't think it opens though. Here we go. You can sit on it.
That hat.
I think that's for the monkey.
But that's for her.
The monkey dog. All right, let's get his clothes on. Well, I'm not really sure how to get this on. It's tricky. But the hat fits, at least. I think. There you go. Well, the hat does fit. I can't figure out the shirt. You know what, Ellie? We can open up the big ones. Want to open up the big ones?
Here's the big one. I got it.
Little
Put the
banana.
tie down. And that tie down.
You're upside down. Which one should we open up first?
That one.
That one? All
Yeah,
right.
tie down.
Ooh, only at Target. There's 36 dolls to unbox. Which one could it be? Could be any one of these. What one do you like the best, Ellie?
Maybe that.
You like that one the best?
Yeah. That
Yeah.
One, that maybe that.
It does look like Merida, doesn't it? With her crazy red hair, huh? All right, let's open it. Ready?
An apple, Mama.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh.
I like your opening method. Do you want some help? Here, if we do it this way.
Yeah, it's that here.
All right, hold the box. There we go. Oh, there we go. She's cute. Should we find out what her name is? Look at her little shoes. Let's take her out. So this is the doll that we unboxed. She's got a floral top and a jean skirt with some pink sandals. a blonde ponytail with a pink stripe. Although I don't see her on here. I don't know. There's a few of them that I think she could be, like maybe Penelope, but it doesn't look like her eyes are green. Her eyes are green there.
Mommy, I did window down.
I just don't know. Well, let's open up the other doll and see who it could be. There's nothing else in the box. It was just the doll. That was it. So let's find out what's in the other one. Ready? Hold the box, I pull. Ooh, look at her pretty dress.
Yeah, it's blue.
It's blue.
Yeah.
Let's take her out. Oh, wow.
I'm trying to pet the eye.
Same shoes. She's cute. Little top knot. Pretty dress. Who could she be? Maybe Emily? I don't know. Maybe. I wish they would just put the names on them. I feel like that would make things easier, huh? We have some Lucky Fortune BFF bracelets. There's 100 bracelets altogether. There's 50 pairs to collect.
50?
Hey, Gabe.
Where are they?
Ellie, which one do you want?
This one or this one? Pick.
You want that one? And Mommy's gonna have that one?
Okay. I'll have that one.
You want this one? All right, let's open them up.
You got that one.
Okay. Hold it. Urgh, there we go.
The bacon.
What is it? Can we see?
It's a hamburger.
No way.
It's a cake.
I don't know.
A cake.
Is it a cake?
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, let's see what's this one. Let's see what's inside this one and see. Here, can you open that one?
Yeah. I think that's a shell.
No, I don't know.
Maybe it's a shell.
I think it's like maybe a macaron.
Macaroni.
I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Let's see what the pair is.
You open it?
Yeah, ready? Hold it. Oh, whoa! That came flying. All right, ready? Pull it out. Let's see what it is. What is it?
No. I know.
Oh, I think it's a macaron. It's a little cookie. Little macaron cookie. There's a purple one and a pink one. Ellie, which one do you want? Do you want the pink one or the purple one?
Pick one.
I knew it. So mommy will have the purple one. All right. And there's a little fortune in here. So it says, okay, it is a macaron. It says, macarons are sweeter when shared with you. Oh, that's so cute. You want to put yours on?
I like yours.
Yeah.
I like mine.
Yeah, they're pretty, huh?
Yeah. Purple get on you. And I make it paper on you. Paper body, bye! I did paper body, me.
Thanks for watching you.
No, paper body, me.
Yes, thanks for watching you.
No, paper body, me. Paper body, me.